everyone, so today we're going to take a look at the difference between pages and categories in WordPress. So first let's look at pages, and there are two ways that you can use a WordPress based website. One is principally as a blog and the other is principally as a business type website. So this first site we're looking at here is where I'm using WordPress as a blog, and that means that my blog roll, or the latest articles that I've written, are all on the front page. So there they all are listed in the chronological order on the front page. And these other items in the menu here are all pages, not blog posts, they're pages. And this is because the content in them does not change very often. For example, my contact page, the content never changes unless I move to live in a new place or change my phone number. And these other pages, these other items that you can see in the menu, they're also pages where there is important information, or information that's important to the site, and which does not change very often. Okay, and so you can do the same thing with a site that you're using principally as a business site. So here's a business site, and in this particular case the blog is over here on the right. It's not the primary point of the site at all. The primary point of the site are these pages which talk about the services I offer, a portfolio of the projects I've done, obviously I want people to contact me, and finally a bit of a description about the business itself. So now that's how you use pages on those different sites. Now let's go and have a look at categories. Categories are WordPress's filing system, and they're basically designed to keep similar articles together. If you think of a filing system or a filing cabinet and a number of drawers, each category is basically a drawer within your filing cabinet into which you put file articles which are closely related to each other. So let's go and have a look at some of those. Over here we have on the right, we have all of the categories that I have on this particular site, and in particular let's have a look at the WordPress category, 81 articles, all of which are on tips and tricks on using WordPress. So all of these articles are grouped together in the WordPress category, so they're easy for people to find. So if somebody's interested in WordPress, that's where they need to go. Similarly with blogging, if somebody comes onto the site and they want to know about different articles on blogging, these articles are all grouped together in the blogging category. Now again, you can do the same thing on your business website. So even though the blog is only a secondary it's not the primary point of the site, I've still grouped all the articles into different categories. So I've got security, marketing hints, general tips, WordPress guides. And if you look at the marketing hints category, all of the articles here cover ways to promote your business online. So these are all covered here in a single category, or if you think of it as a single drawer within the WordPress filing system. Okay, so that's briefly the difference between pages and categories. If you have any questions, do please give me a shout. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.